So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me, this is the Apple Watch Ultra, and many of you want to know how to actually activate the code on your actual Apple Watch. So let's go straight into it. So you press this button right here, then you go to settings, and in settings you can see that here you've got your settings, your configuration, and if you go downwards and you go to the actual section of passcode, as you can see it says turn on passcode. So you put a passcode, there you go, use it anyway, and re-enter password 1, 2, 3, and 4, and automatically it will set up. Okay, now many of you have been asking me, well, but right now I haven't been seeing it. Well, it's really simple to see if it works. Basically, you put it on your wrist, you mimic that you've got it on your wrist, and then you take it off, and automatically the Apple Watch will sense that you've taken your actual let's say Apple Watch off, and automatically will ask you for the passcode. So it's really that simple. You put it on your actual wrist to ensure that Apple Watch knows that you've got it on, and therefore it will not ask you constantly for the code. But then the moment you take it off, it will actually ask you for the passcode. There you go. Okay, as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and thank you very much for asking.